Today on Stu's cookery class, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple and easy carbonara. I'm going to take 1 egg, 30 grams of grated Parmesan, and a little bit of garlic paste. We're then going to add 70 grams of cream. No, I normally do all this by eye, I'm just weighing this out to give you guys a rough idea. We're then going to mix all that together and set it to one side. We're going to add a little oil to a frying pan, about 2 tablespoons, and then throw in our bacon. Now I've used about 130 grams of bacon here. And we're just going to fry this off on a medium heat until it's really nice and crispy and rendered down. I've thrown my pasta into a pan of boiling water as my bacon's nearly ready, and once your bacon's crispy, I'm going to take that off the heat and wait for the pasta to be cooked. The easiest way to tell if it's done is just take a fork, pull a little bit out and try it. I'm now going to turn this up to a medium heat and just stir all that fat and that bacon through the pasta. Once you start to hear it ever so slight sizzle, you want to get your egg mix in, because you don't want your pan to be too hot, otherwise you'll scramble your eggs. You'll know that it's ready once the sauce has just started to stick and really coat the pasta nice and thickly. If you start to see lumps, you need to take it out. Now I've just put a little bit of grated Parmesan and cracked black pepper over the top of mine. If you like this video, hit that button and consider subscribing, and why not check out my other videos like my Midweek Meals playlist.